Welcome to Leading Effectively Through Uncertain Times, an online leadership development course focused on optimizing effective practices in the service of self and others. This course consists of 11 modules that will unfold weekly. Each module is anchored by one of the 7 habits of highly effective people. The modules are organized to create an early focus on the habits associated with our private victories. Your practice and reflection in these early modules will be centered on how you show up as a leader, a learner, a friend, and partner to those around you. The later modules will focus on the habits associated with the public victories. During these modules, you'll be engaged in practices that will impact your role as a collaborator, coach, and innovator. These timeless habits are meant to serve us regardless of what life throws our way. We'll explore how they're particularly well suited for this moment of uncertainty and anxiety. The 7 habits provide the organizational spine for the course. They'll be applied in the service of improving your impact and influence as a leader. You'll have an opportunity to learn more about critical shifts in core instruction and practice providing feedback aligned with these shifts. You'll also become more attentive to moments when we are tempted by detours on our path to anti-racist leadership and anti-racist practices. This integrated exploration of habits of effectiveness, competencies of coaching, and the dispositions of an anti-racist leader will place you at the critical intersection of all 3. This is where your greatest impact will be felt as a leader. You can expect to invest about an hour of your time for each module. This would include time spent reading, viewing, or listening to the essential content, completing any assigned tasks, and engaging in the discussion prompts for each module. Pay special attention to the word essential, as it signifies content, tasks, and engagement necessary to meet the objectives of the course. Other content, tasks, and engagements are identified as additional. They would add depth and breadth to your experience but are not required. As in most courses focused on leadership development, you'll get out of it what you put into it. Our greatest hope is that you'll find coherence and rigor through the content, the tasks, and the engagements you pursue as a learner in this course. As stated earlier, this course is organized through a progression of modules, each building on previous ones. Each module that's unlocked will be indicated with a compass logo on the homepage menu. Modules will be unlocked during the day each Monday for 11 weeks. Each module screen will have a similar structure. You'll be greeted with a welcome and introductory message from one of the course designers, as well as the learning targets and essential questions for the module. You'll find all the materials for the module listed below this. The content, tasks, and engagement for this course are organized consistent with the approach suggested by educational and technology futurist David Thornburg. Your starting point for the module will be at the campfire. This is the place to engage in new learning through essential and additional readings and media. You'll take that new learning back to the cave. This is where you'll make personal meaning from all that you've learned at the campfire. This is where many of the essential and additional tasks for the course will be located. Because learning is socially constructed, you'll also need to check in at the watering hole to see how others are making new meaning from the content and to test some of your own ideas. This is the place where essential and additional engagements can be found, in the form of discussion posts. This is also the place where you'll engage with the course designers through an essential feedback survey at the end of each module. Our team will take what we hear at the watering hole back to our planning sessions and respond through improvements and enhancements in almost real time. Dr. Thornburg's approach to organizing the learning process through campfires, caves, and watering holes originated within the physical structures of classroom environments. We're excited to test this methodology in the virtual environment and eager to hear how you are experiencing it. Please enjoy this course. Take risks, learn a lot, stay connected, and engage with each other and with your facilitators.